Hey everybody, this is Trader Steve. It's Tuesday. Tomorrow the Fed has the FOMC meeting. We're probably going to get a quarter-point cut, but then Jay Powell's going to have his little meeting afterwards, and that's when the fireworks is going to happen. And I believe he's probably going to say rates aren't going to come down as fast and as hard as everybody thinks. And so we're probably going to have some market movement. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. It should be all over by 2:30 or 3 o'clock tomorrow. And try not to make any moves until you kind of see what direction the market wants to go, because it's kind of a strange market out there right now. Bifurcated, with the Dow. This is the Dow. It's kind of going down, but you see it hasn't made a lower low yet. It's just kind of been on this, look how high away it is from the 200-day moving average. So it's been screaming, but it's the air's coming out of it. And same with the Russell 2000. It's kind of going down. I've been looking for a trade here in the TNA, and it hasn't materialized yet. And it's all going to be happening due to interest rates. So we'll see what Jay Powell does tomorrow, because I'm not making any moves until he talks and I see which way the market wants to go. And it could go down. This could be the end of the rally, and maybe the only trade left will be Tesla, which is doing the cobra right now, which is straight up. And I think everybody thinks of his relationship with Trump is going to bring some good things, but we'll see. Who knows? And you see the Qs here. This is where all the strength in the market is, right here. Triple Qs and the NASDAQ. Even the SPY is kind of going sideways. So we'll see what happens. And the next one we're going to look at is going to be gold. Gold's kind of, in a chippy chop range here. We've had some good, nice moves in it, and now it's just kind of chopping. But it had a little life today, and we'll see what Jay Powell does. Depending on what he says, gold could make a move up. Is inflation dead? I doubt it's dead, because my employees, everyone that's a working person that rents, is in a bad situation. And until their incomes get high enough to where they get back to their income to rent ratio pre-COVID, inflation's not over. Believe me, it's not over. And then we got the tariff issues with Trump and China. So we'll see. We'll see what gold does, and also the Russell 2000. That's going to be interest rate sensitive too. So we'll see what happens. And Slash, you better quit scratching out the door, pal. It's my crazy little dog. So, and the chips, we look at SOXL. I love trading SOXL. SOXL's kind of, in a very choppy, crazy situation right now. It's a lot of red there. And we'll see if, it's also interest rates. If interest rates come down, the chips should catch a bid. But Z is, over there in China is kind of beating on NVIDIA right now. And, the Chinese market actually got a bid today. It's kind of been going down. So they say they're going to start pumping a lot more debt into the market, which is inflationary, isn't it? Because they're having deflation over there. So a lot of things are going to happen tomorrow, and let's see which way the market wants to go, and see if we can find some trades to hop on here and make some money. I'm leaving the vacation on the 20th and won't be back until the end of the month, but I'll try to post from Aruba. I'm going down there, and we'll see if I can get internet on the cruise ship and all that stuff. Who knows? But, the only thing that's really been going up here, I guess, is here's BITO, little, Bitcoin derivative thing. I've got some friends and stuff in that, and it's been really good to them, but I just don't like buying things at the high. And then we got our little Soundhound, it's doing the cobra. Look at this, just straight up. And this isn't the only player in town with, where you can order using voice AI and all that. Yum's got it, and other people. So, NVIDIA's behind them, they say, but, I think there's a lot more players in the field than just Soundhound. So we'll see what happens, see if it backs up. And then we got NBIS, which is kind of coming down some. And we'll see. This is the one NVIDIA evidently put 700 million in. It's kind of like server builder of some sort. Maybe they got a better deal than other people, but keep an eye on it. It could go higher, but we may have a correction before then. I'm not sure. Tomorrow's going to be a big day, so keep your eyes out and let's see what Jay Powell has to say. And I wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And if I don't talk to you until then, have a Happy New Year. See you later.